You're looking at a 2022 Tesla Model 3 long range dual motor, all electric, with 19,000 miles. Comes loaded off ABS, traction, stability control, alloy wheels, base autopilot, upgradable to full self-driving, red exterior, black premium interior, AMD Ryzen processor, heated seats, heated wipers, heated steering wheel, panoramic roof, hardware 3, heat pump, CCS enabled, premium audio, dual motor. Exact mileage is 19,062 miles. I'm talking fast because I'm trying to beat the rain. Rear vents, power tailgate. Does come with a 110 volt charger. If you're interested, just give us a call. Phone number is 508-921-0301. Thank you.